Hello, today I am going to show you how to get Klover Cash Advance without points. So let's start the main video. First open Play Store or App Store. Then download Klover Cash Advance. Now open the app. If you have account, click on Login, then enter your email address and password. If you don't have account, click on Create Account. Then enter your email address. Then enter your password that you want to choose. Make sure password has at least 8 characters, minimum 1 digit and minimum 1 letter. After that, click on Next. To qualify for advances without relying heavily on points, your account should have at least 3 direct deposits in the last 60 days. Each deposit $250 or more. At least 90 days of bank transaction history. Also, your bank account must be active and in good standing, showing consistent cash flow and spending activity. If you meet the requirements, the app may allow a standard advance without requiring points. Points are mostly used if you want higher advance limits or extra benefits. And that's it. Thanks for watching.